my title said glueless, I really meant glueless.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from RPGSHOW hair. I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So this is the packaging. This is like a little brochure with like all your wig details on the inside. They also send you some wig caps and then a wig bag to store your wig at night. Y'all, it's been a while since I've done a colored wig like this, so let's go ahead and unravel it. Oh, I'm so excited. This, oh my gosh, it's been so freaking long. So this is what the color of the wig is looking like. It does come with the 2 combs on the inside. It also comes with this extra elastic band for extra security, and it also has a comb in the nape area. So whenever installing my wigs, I always leave the elastic band hook to like the first hook. If ever you need your wig to be fitted a little bit more tight, all you can do is simply just adjust the elastic band and it'll definitely fit a little bit more tight and snug onto your head. Yeah, this wig is so gorgeous. And it actually looks like the color looks exactly like the picture. I'm just gonna try to show it to you guys. So that is what the picture looks like, and this is what I got. So the color is like spot on. I just have to go ahead and, you know, flatten back down the top, but the color is amazing. I feel like because I have not done like a color this bold and this bright in so long, it's just giving right now. This wig is so gorgeous. Like I said, you guys, you definitely can wear this wig glueless. Like, so yeah, let's see the hairline on this. I know this part, the curls are like all came out and stuff. I definitely need to go back over with my iron over here, but the wig is given. The hairline is plucked to perfection. It looks super natural. The color, the way that they plucked this unit is like so perfect. I'm so loving this. You need absolutely no baby hairs with this. The way that they plucked it, look at this hairline, you guys. It is amazing. It literally looks so natural. A unit like this, I would definitely not go ahead and spoil it by putting any baby hairs on. Like, you don't need any baby hairs on this unit. The only thing that you need to do is lay her down. And also, like I said, this is definitely one of those wigs where you can wear her glueless or you can glue it down. Either way, it's one of those wigs where you get up in the morning, you don't want to do nothing to your hair, you just show her on and head out the door. I wouldn't say that this is an everyday unit. The color is a little bold, but like for a special occasion, this wig is absolutely bomb, you guys. The hairline, super natural. And this unit, you guys, is their upgraded deep pre-plucked hairline. So the hairline on this unit is very natural looking. They really did a good job with plucking it, again, to the point that you don't need any baby hairs. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me saying that, but you really do not need any baby hairs with this unit, okay? And the lace that was used on this unit is their tinted transparent Swiss lace, which means this lace literally melts right into your skin. And as you guys can see from the front, it is literally melting right into my skin. Like, the video don't lie. You guys can see it for yourself. Like, it is melted, and I have not even laid her down yet. The lace is still on, and it's just looking so flawless already. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off all this extra lace, and then we're gonna decide whether we want to do her glueless or glue her down. Okay. I did not do a ball cap method, but look how natural this hairline is looking. You can definitely see my skin underneath, so it looks like it's coming up straight out of my scalp. There is nothing holding this wig down besides the elastic band that's in the back there. We can move her back, move her back forward, and look at that. Ooh, my eyelash almost came off. Like I said, this is their transparent Swiss lace, and it's just super fine, super thin. Like, it just blends perfectly with your skin. So you guys can see that, like, it just blends perfectly with your skin, and I definitely love that. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and style this wig. So to just add some curls back to the hair, I'm just taking my curling wand. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig completely glueless after she has been restyled. I am so loving this hair, and the fact that she's laying completely glueless on my head. She is not being held down with anything except for the elastic band that's in the back. The hair, you guys, is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am so obsessed with this color. So really quickly, I'm just going to read you guys the information on this wig. Now, the name of this wig is called Zelda 002. The order number is CC480. The hair texture is a silky texture. The hair length is a 20-inch. The hair color, same as the picture. So exactly what you see on your website is the same exact wig that you will be getting in your package. So the cap size that I got is a size 2. The cap construction is a lace front wig, 200 density. The lace color is a tinted transparent Swiss lace. And again, it is a medium brown. We're gonna head over into the next day and you guys will see how this hair looks. Hey y'all, so today we are back and I went ahead and I straightened her. I had a wig on, so my hair is still kind of like glued down there, but yeah, I went ahead last night after I took her off. I just straightened her and she got bone straight. Like, This is silky straight. I'm obsessed with this wig, so I'm actually really excited to go back in and try her on today. I was thinking that I actually need to like glue her down or like lay her down with some adhesive once I had straightened her out, but she don't need nothing. This wig is the bomb, you guys. She is definitely giving the vibes today, okay? The hair is super silky, super soft. I love the fact that it is a bleached unit, but you don't smell any sort of bleach, no chemicals, nothing on the hair. It smells absolutely amazing. The color is amazing. The color is a 10 out of 10. Like, the color is doing everything for me right now. Let's just wrap this video up right here because I don't have anything else to say about this hair. Y'all seen, y'all know already what it does, what she can't do, what she can do. So I don't have anything else to say about this wig. I plead the fifth. We're done here. End the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down and let me know what you guys think about this wig. Do you guys want me to try more wigs from RPG Hair for y'all? Or you guys are cool with the cheap wigs? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, all of that. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching